From Langza, we move towards our next destination, Hikkim. While Hikkim is a very beautiful village at an elevation of 4,400 meters or almost 14,400 feet and is known for the highest post office, the road to Hikkim is very challenging, especially the last 2 to 3 kilometers. Being here 9 years back, roads were in better condition, but probably due to start of season, roads are still not constructed. The main post office lies in the Hikkim village, while the post box where one drops the letter is now moved out to outside the village. Earlier, the post box was there in the village itself, but now because of excessive crowd, it has been shifted. Hikkim and Comic had excessive crowd, and above that it was very hot, because of which we didn't stay there for long. We moved to Comic, which is one of the highest motorable villages in the world.
So we have arrived at Comic, which is the highest village in the world at 15,000 feet. See this? This is the restaurant and that is the monastery. We'll have lunch here.
Tangyud Monastery in Comic has elevation of up to 4,587 meters, and Kozok Monastery in adjacent Kozok village on So Moridi has an elevation of about 4,570 meters. Comic village has the 500-year-old Leh2025 Sema Gompa Buddhist monastery and is one of the world's highest villages. We did our lunch at Comic in the extreme heat and very crowded atmosphere. There is only one restoration there and it is very expensive. We initially planned for Demul as the next destination and for a stay there the same night. But Comic to Demul road doesn't look like motorable. We inquired with local people. They said that the road is suitable for two-wheelers but not for four-wheelers. However, few villages also mentioned that four-wheelers can go, but we did not want to take risk. So we decided to move back to Kaza via Langza and search for homestays there. Kaza was of course full packed, so we searched for something 5 to 7 kilometers outside Kaza and found this beautiful homestay.
Hi everyone. So we were planning to stay in Demul today, but on reaching Comic after Hikkim and Langza, we found that the route from Comic to Demul is not for car driving. Actually, there were multiple views. Definitely it's for bike ride, because one person I meet in the morning in the Kibber homestay, he said that they came through that road. But at Comic, when I inquired about the route, people said that one person said that this particular route is not for car driving, while another one said that you can drive through car. So I decided not to take the risk, and we came back via Langza to Kaza. Kaza, of course, is fully packed. There are no rooms available here. Whichever are available are very high price. So what we decided was go to some outskirts, to a place outskirts of Kaza, if we could find some stay there. At one point we even decided that we can go another 22 kilometers to Demul through this route, through the route from Kaza, which is in good condition. But then on way we found this particular homestay, which is okay, which is quite good, which is in a very good location. You can see this. So it's at a decent rate, not very cheap, not very expensive, and there are beautiful mountain views here. So the caretaker, I talked to him about my visit of Chandatal, if he could take us in my car. I mean, he is a driver also. My plan was like, I do not want to drive to Chandatal myself and take risk, because had I been alone or with my friends, I would have done that definitely. But with wife and daughter, I do not want to do that. So I asked him if he could take us to Chandatal and drop us at Batal next day. So he has asked for a charge which is on the higher side. I am trying to negotiate. If it happens, then we might move from Kaza day after tomorrow. We will take a break at Kaza tomorrow. We might visit Demul, which we could not visit today. So this is the update on day number 9, and this is how it is going now. Once again, the view from the hotel, from the homestay. Absolutely stunning views.
Our stay in Kaza was pure bliss, and our decision to stay out of the main city turned out to be one of the best decisions. A beautiful homestay, a beautiful homestay owner family, beautiful company for 2 days, homemade food, and few of the best companies to be with. There is nothing more one can ask for. We stayed at the homestay for 2 nights, and I will cover more about the homestay in the next episode.
Bhago, yeah, run. अरे ये क्या हो रहा है? ये सब गोल घूमे जा रहे हो? चक्कर आ जाएगा. पकड़ लो. पकड़ कौन? चलो पकड़ लो. हाँ पकड़ो. पकड़ लिया. आप भागो. आपको भी पकड़ लिया. अब आप पकड़ो. चलो, आप दोनों को पकड़ो. पकड़ लिया. যাবে না।
Friends, with this I come to the end of part 2 and episode number 6. Hope you did enjoy the video to the fullest. Till the next episode, do take care of yourself and bye for now.